Hello beautiful people, it's Ada here. For today's video, we will tackle about what does a dental assistant do. For today's episode, I'm going to teach you on how to prepare the dental chair. Firstly, we will make sure to cover and protect all the surface and equipment the doctor may need to touch. Once the doctor put on their gloves, we have to consider them contaminated. So we'll ensure that anything that may come into contact with is properly covered and protected. Now I'm going to show you everything more closely. These buttons are commonly touched by the doctors or dentists, which is why we needed to cover them. We also need to cover the handle and the water syringe and the dental line. On my side, or dental assistant side, we also cover items that cannot be placed in the autoclave. This helps prevent direct contact with blood, saliva, and other contaminants. So these are the basic surface and equipments that a dentist or doctors commonly touches during a procedure. For basic preparation, we will prepare diagnostic set with dental mirror, tweezer, and probe, alongside with the mask, with air tip, and the gloves. And that's all for today. For the next episode, I'm going to teach you on how to prepare the RCT and or the root canal treatment.